How to recover deleted Telegram messages, pictures and videos on an Android device or an iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipan Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can recover deleted Telegram messages, pictures and videos. Now I'm here on the Android device, but the process itself is quite similar on the iPhone as well, so hope this helps you. First thing, what you'll have to remember is if you deleted your Telegram message by mistake, then you can simply undo it by tapping on the undo option. However, if you deleted your Telegram account and now your messages is gone too and you want to recover it, unfortunately you won't be able to do so. However, if you had pictures and videos on the chat, then those might still be saved on the Telegram folder. Now how you can access it, whether the pictures or videos, you can simply head over to your file explorer on your device, right? From there you want to head into internal storage option. From here you can see there are various folders, right? You want to simply head into Android option. Under Android you want to head into media option, and under media you'll find org.telegram.messenger, which under it you'll find Telegram folder, and under it you'll find the folder for images and videos. So here you'll be able to find any delete pictures and videos that has been saved even if your chat was deleted. So this way you can recover Telegram messages, pictures and videos. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.